I'm 15 years old and I go to Newman City College. I'm in year 11 and I work for Skills for All. So initially what happened was they came to my school for a filming project, just a small one, in which we made a film to be sent to a competition. So my film was about social media. In year 9 we made the film. I thought that would be the end of it, but then eventually the next year I got called to do mentorship, and in the mentorship course it was the exact same thing that I was doing before. However, I was helping other people to make their film. And again, I just thought it'd be the end, and then all of a sudden I found out that we'd actually been nominated. We went to London because it was a big Into film. There was loads of celebrities and stuff, so we went to London for the final award show. We didn't end up winning, but it was really enjoyable because we were able to see like some of the celebrities that you see on screen. It's like, oh my gosh, that's whoever it was, you know. It was a very good moment that I'll keep with the rest of my life. Recently, they kind of asked one of my teachers to ask me if I'd be up for another type of mentorship course, but with children, and so that's what I'm doing right now. So what I've been doing is I've been working with children to learn how to code, and there's also filmmaking and music. It's been quite fun. I've learned skills myself whilst also teaching the skills to other children. I've learned things about teaching younger children as well, because a lot of the time, because I do cadets and all of the other things, I'm quite used to dealing with like teenagers, and so it's nice to see that other side of it, and I hope to do more stuff like this. My specific section is coding, and so what we've been doing, we've been taking these spherules, which are basically balls with a little car inside of it, and so they drive around and we're able to control those, and we're teaching kids how to actually use those, because at the end of the day the future is AI and technology, so it's really good to be able to teach kids how to do this, because then a couple of years down the line this might be the start of their career in computer science or whatever they choose to do. And so I've been teaching them how to code. So the first 2 days we were doing a bit of getting used to it, using the controls. We did a bit of obstacle courses, which was really fun. And then now what we're doing is we're doing a bit of engineering, the engineering side of it, making an actual cart for the spheral to go in, putting it into a practical setting. How do we actually use this cart and make it into something that we can carry stuff on, which is what we're doing right now, which is quite interesting. So we're able to combine computer science, coding and engineering. It has been quite interesting because I've got to actually see what it means to actually work. I've always seen people say you should enjoy what you're doing, and I feel like I've really learned that here, because I actually enjoy working with the children, which is quite fun, and I've enjoyed doing a lot of the tasks, and I feel like it's given me a lot of experience in terms of, obviously if I ever wanted to do, again, computer science and engineering, I could obviously bring this into that and talk about how I've done this, and that's also an interesting side. And then if I ever wanted to go into teaching, I've also got that side of I've worked with younger children, I've worked with older children, mainly younger children here, and I know those skills, and it's really helped because I feel like I'll carry these skills for the rest of my life.